How to redeem an Amazon gift card. You can do it directly from the app itself, or if you don't have one, then head to a web browser. In the search bar, you want to go to amazon.com. Now in the homepage, you want to click on your profile that is on the top right. Scroll down a little, and under your account, you'll be able to see all account. You'll be redirected to this interface. You again have to scroll down. And under Amazon Pay, you can see add gift card to your balance. Click on that and enter the gift card code. You just exactly have to copy the code that is in the gift card. Then click on add gift card to balance. Once that is done, the amount will be directly added to your balance statement. You may now purchase anything that confines within the amount you have. So that is how you redeem an Amazon gift card. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.